In this video, we will examine the features and flow characteristics of Dixon's W-Series quick disconnect couplings. The W-Series, also known as the wing-style interchange, are hydraulic quick disconnect couplings used on oilfield equipment, dump and live floor trailers, mobile equipment, and submersible pumps. The wing-style socket features a bonded flange valve and an anti-extrusion seal pack for improved impulse performance. The socket also features a hybrid valve guide for optimized flow and pressure performance. The wing-style plug has an O-ring full connection indicator for better connection efficiency, a vane valve guide for boosted flow performance, and a swaged valve seal to help safeguard against flow damage. Both bodies include a full hex for ease of installation and offer a compact body profile for the reduction of side load stress. The innovative hybrid valve design provides industry-leading flow and pressure performance. The W-Series offers the advantage of a smoother flow path, smaller pressure drop, and generates less heat. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.